With incredible discovery, our understanding of what it means to be human and how we perceive this vast universe changes. And while recent scientific findings have been happening every day, and in addition to exciting breakthroughs in other fields, brave scientists are continuing to develop new technologies that keep us safe and help us gain a greater understanding of the universe. So today, here at Unexplained Mysteries, we are going to look at 3 recent discoveries that have taken place. Search and rescue drone finds stranded hikers in the dark. During the dark of the night in Weber County, Utah, a search and rescue drone was utilized to find stranded hikers in a terrifying situation. The hikers had veered off the trail by accident and had become stranded on a steep cliff. Once the 2 female hikers had realized that finding the path back to civilization had become too dangerous due to deep snow and ice, they decided to call for help. Authorities say that this was the best choice they could have made, as trekking forward could have put them in a dangerous situation. Once Weber County Search and Rescue received their message, they deployed a drone that could help them locate the hikers. Amazingly, the drone only took about 15 minutes to do its job. The team has said that the drone had an incredible laser range finding camera that was able to give them the peace of mind that the hikers were safe and out of harm's way before they were able to rescue them. The drone was also able to provide a visual for the hikers' families so they could see the rescue in real time rather than wait in the dark to find out about the conditions of the hikers. A drone, like the one in this case, can cut down the search and rescue time for people who do not have a whole lot of it. This discovery made by the drone is not the only time this has happened, as the Weber County Search and Rescue team has used it on numerous missions to save people in dire need of assistance. One of the most incredible aspects of this drone's discovery is that it demonstrates how much the technology that humans have developed is able to improve human existence. A search that may have taken hours of effort took only 15 minutes. There are more than 5,000 worlds beyond our solar system. Despite the incredible inventions of man that happen on our Earth's land, there is something about the sky above that never ceases to amaze us. Recently, NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory has confirmed that there are more than 5,000 known planets beyond our solar system. This landmark discovery ranges from rocky exoplanets that are roughly the size of Earth to larger gas giants that are even greater in size than Jupiter. Undoubtedly, this discovery is due to the excellence of NASA's scientists and how the astronomy community has experienced a growing understanding of how to locate planets outside of our galaxy and what technologies are needed. Just 2 examples of their efforts in recent years include the launch of the Transiting Exoplanet Survey satellite in 2018 and the James Webb Space Telescope in 2021. Astronomers were able to locate the first exoplanets using a wobble method of tracking a star's small back and forth movements caused by the gravitational pulls of planets orbiting around the star. After this initial use of the wobble method, scientists then set up a telescope that looked at almost 200,000 stars to see if they could detect even more planets by looking for dips in light that would indicate that a planet had passed by. Most of the exoplanets found to date have been due to this light tracking method called the transit method. The sheer number of exoplanets confirmed by NASA is extremely exciting for scientists and science lovers everywhere. Even though 5,000 already sounds like an enormous number, NASA scientists speculate that there may be billions of exoplanets in our galaxy that are yet to be discovered. Simply put by California Institute of Technology research scientist Jesse Christensen, of the 5,000 exoplanets known, 4,900 are located within a few thousand light-years of us. And think about the fact that we're 30,000 light-years from the center of the galaxy. With each planet's discovery, there is always a chance of the discovery of life, even if it is just the primitive kind. As scientists are able to uncover more and more celestial bodies, humanity will get closer to finding out the truths about the universe around us. Astronomers believe they can finally explain these bizarre circular space objects. Although astronomers are constantly capturing incredible images from space, that doesn't mean that they always understand what they are seeing right away. Sometimes it takes time to uncover the mystery. For example, recently, researchers working with data taken from South Africa's Meerkat telescope believe they have finally been able to explain a mystery image captured back in 2019. 3 years ago, when astronomers discovered an image of glowing rings using CSIRO's ASCAP radio telescope, they were unable to determine what these rings actually were. They dubbed these rings odd radio circles, or AURCs. Using the Meerkat data, astronomers now think that these AURCs are most likely vast explosions of hot gas centered on a galaxy that was previously undetectable. Scientists have been able to detect a blob of radio emission in the center of these rings that coincides with a distant galaxy. It is thought that these AURCs were generated by this galaxy. Scientists now believe that these rings are about 1 million light-years across. In other words, they are gigantic. They would have to be, as spotting them from such a distance is no easy feat, even using incredibly advanced telescopes. Meerkat has also been able to get an understanding of the magnetic field in the ring through mapping the polarization of the radio waves. The polarization image taken has been able to show a magnetic field that runs along the sphere's edge. This finding points to the possibility that an explosion in the central galaxy caused the collision of a hot blast with a gas outside of the galaxy. The shockwave that resulted from the explosion made the electrons in the gas energize and generate radio waves by spiraling around the magnetic field. Despite hitting a breakthrough in the understanding of AURCs, there is still a missing puzzle piece. Scientists are not sure what caused the explosion. However, they do have 2 main theories they are exploring. The first is that the merging of 2 supermassive black holes caused the explosion by releasing a massive amount of energy, creating the AURC. The second possibility is that a starburst event occurred in the central galaxy that gave birth to 1 million stars. This starburst event would result in a spherical shockwave caused by hot gas blasting out from the galaxy. Despite the breakthroughs that have already been made, scientists are not stopping the search to find out more. To do this, they will need an observatory that is even more sensitive than both the Meerkat and ASCAP telescopes. This hope is already being actualized by the Square Kilometre Array, or SCAR, an international radio telescope project that will be built in South Africa and Australia. With the SCAR project underway, we are getting closer to discovering more about these AURCs and what they can tell us about the life cycle of a galaxy. Our universe is a vast and intriguing place. Even though we gain explanations for new mysteries every single day, there is always something new waiting for us to uncover. But what do you make of these discoveries? Be sure to let us know your thoughts in the comment section below and help us by growing this community while working to solve these unexplained mysteries. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.